See, we are discussing about geometrical isomerism in coordination number 6 complexes. So in previous class we are seen up to this different monodentate ligands we are seen. Now I am writing bidentate ligands. So one you take AA taken thrice. So already we are discussed AA means what? AB means what? AA means that is bidentate ligand with the same type of donor. So ethylene diamine. So ethylene diamine is the example. So here you write the structure. So 6 AA another AA. See here. In what way we are going to write any other possible structures? So we cannot write. We can't write other structure. So that means it is not showing geometrical isomerism. Suppose you take AB taken thrice. This type of complex you can take. So AB already we are seeing glycinate, that is CH2, NH2 and COO minus. This is A type, that is B type. Two different type of donors are there. Suppose if you take like this. So what happens? AB. See this type of structure. So then A is trans to B. See otherwise A and A is very close. So that's why you can write as a cis structure. So these two A's are close to each other. Next another possibility. So AB. Next AB. See here. So A is opposite to each other. So that's why this can you write as a trans isomer. So you can write more than one structure. More than one structure is possible. So that's why these are showing geometrical isomerism. So like that. Next, you can mix with bidentates and monodentates. So AA taken twice, A2 I am taking. So then what happens? So I am writing AA. Next, AA is like this, another A. So for this structure, so 2 A's I am writing close. Next, 2 A's I am writing opposite also. So here 2 A's are close, 2 A's are opposite. So this is a cis form, this is a trans form. So you can write more than one structure easily possible. So that's why it is showing geometrical isomerism. Suppose here you change AB, 11th one, AA taken twice, AB I am taking. So then also AB close you can write, AB opposite you can write. More than one structure is possible. So that's why this is also showing geometrical isomerism. Next, AA, A2, B2. They are given. So here 2 A's close also you can write, 2 A's far distance also you can write. So this can show geometrical isomerism. So like that anything you can prepare. So A, B, C, D. So one A trans to B, A trans to C, A trans to D. Also you can write so many possible structures are there. So that's why they are showing geometrical isomerism also. Instead of AA ligand, you can put AB of a bidentate also you can write. So instead of AAs, you can write AB. And they are also showing same geometrical possible structures. Next. So we'll see stereo. Next one is what? Second stereo, that is optical. Optical isomerism we are going to discuss. So optical isomerism in coordination number 4 complexes. See, already we see which one is showing optical isomerism. So the conditions are important. What is the first condition? So chiral nature. So one is chiral nature. Chiral nature means 4 ligands are different. 4 ligands are different. You can take, that is a chiral nature will come. Next. So plane of symmetry absence. Absence of plane of symmetry. So plane of symmetry you write as a POS. See, suppose the molecule you cut into 2 equal halves. 2 equal halves is there means plane of symmetry is there. So then optically inactive. So compulsory absence of plane of symmetry. You cut the molecule into 2 equal half means that is optically inactive. If you cannot cut the molecule into 2 equal half, then only that is optical activity. Next, coordination number 4. Coordination number 4 means we have 2 complexes. So that is what sp3 hybridization. So metal you take 4 ligands in a tetrahedral form. L1, L2, L3, L4. 4 ligands. See, you are cutting these molecules. These two are different. Suppose in any angle you can't cut the equal halves. So that means what? Absence of plane of symmetry is possible. So 4 ligands are different. This is only you call it as a chiral nature. So absence of plane of symmetry. So that's why it is showing optical activity. So optical isomerism it is showing. Next, another possible coordination number 4 means DSP2 hybridization. The structure is square planar. If you take L1, L2, L3, L4, 4 ligands are like this. So, this molecule, you want to see the optical isomerism means you think about these two. 4 ligands are different. Okay, 4 ligands are different, that is there. Next, plane of symmetry. See, you cut in a y-axis. Suppose you cut into y-axis. So, plane of symmetry is not there. So, means you are not getting 2 equal halves. Next, you cut like this. X-axis. So above ligands are different, below ligands are different. So plane of symmetry is not there. Next, you cut into Z-axis. Z-axis means what? In between L1, L2, in between metal, in between L3, L4, you are cutting. So exact 2 equal halves are coming. So in Z direction, plane of symmetry is there. So plane of symmetry is present. So that's why it is not showing optically active. So that is a very, very important. So because of this one, optical isomerism means you must think about plane of symmetry. So in all directions you must observe. So in x-axis plane of symmetry is not there. Y-axis is not there. Z-axis. Z-axis means inside the board we are cutting, that is the Z-axis. So you are getting two equal halves. In any axis, planar symmetry is possible. Directly you can tell that is optically inactive. So next we are discussing optical isomerism in coordination number 6. So coordination number 6 means what? Hybridization sp3d2 or d2sp3. So the structure is going to octahedral. So now we are going to see that optical isomerism in coordination number 6 complexes. Next, who is showing that one? Always remember, optical isomerism means plane of symmetry absence. Then only they can show optical activity. Plane of symmetry means we can't cut the molecule into two equal halves. So here, in coordination number 6, I am giving MA6. See, MA6. So you can write all are same. This type of structure. So now what happens? This axis you cut the plane like this. This type also same AA. This type also AA. So that means of what? Plane of symmetry is there. So optically it is not active. So it is not showing optical activity. Next, second one, MA5B. So here, you see, so any value, suppose I am cutting like this, this is also equal half, this is also equal half. So that means what? Plane of symmetry is there. Plane of symmetry is there means optically inactive. It is not showing optical activity. Third, A4B2. So how many possibilities you write down? So I am writing 4 A's. Next, B and B. So 2 B's I am close, I am also writing that. 2 B's are opposite also I am writing. So means two possible structures are there. So already seen in the geometrical. So this structure you called as a cis geometrical, this is called as a trans geometrical. So now which is optically active in these two we are seeing. Suppose this molecule you cut into like this. Just you imagine this A is our front side of the board, this A is back side of the board. So 4 members are like this. So front one is 1, back side is 1. So like this structure. So we are cut the molecule like this. What happens? B, B, A, A. So what happens here? Plane of symmetry is there. So optically inactive. Next, you take this trans. You cut the molecule like this. This direct wide. So this type of AA, same structure. That side also AA, same structure. So that's why here also plane of symmetry is there. So that's why it is not showing optical activity. Next, another examples. So you take MA3B3. So this is also showing two possible structures. So already we told that is a facial one structure, meridional another structure of geometrical. This is a facial geometrical isomer, another one. So similar to trans, that is a meridional. See, two possible structures are there. Now you see optical. Optical means you think about planar symmetry. See that. If I will cut the molecule like this, BB is there, AA is there. Now you cut the molecule exactly like this. You cut the molecule like this. So where is the A front side? Where is the B back side? So A and B also you are going to cut. B above is there, B below is there. A is above, A is below. Exactly half of the molecule you are cutting. So means a plane of symmetry is there. So optically inactive. Next, meridional structure you come. So here what? Just this plane. M is here, here B, B, here A, B. So here A is there, back side also A. So this structure, above is A, below is A. So now I will cut the molecule like this. So then what happens? Above A part is coming, below also A part is coming. So that means plane of symmetry is there. So optically inactive. So you must imagine in what way. M is the middle of this hand. Next B is here, B is here. Next one more A is here, one more B is here. This A is here, this A is here. So now I am cutting the molecule like this. So above A also there, below also A is there. So exact half. So that means a plane of symmetry is there. So optically inactive. Next. So all ligands you take different. So I am taking M, A, B, C, D, E, F. We are taken like this. So then what happens? So A, B, C, D, E, F. So this one I am taking. Suppose any ligand is not coincide with anybody. Any side you can cut. You can't get equal half. So that means what? Plane of symmetry is not possible. Plane of symmetry is not possible means direct. It is showing optical activity. So this is everything of monodentate ligands. Suppose you take bidentate ligands with combination. I am taking M, AA taken twice. This complex. See here. So AA. Next. AA here. So what about this geometrical? So you can't write more than one structure. So that's why it is not showing geometrical isomerism. Already we seen. Now we are thinking about optical isomerism. Optical isomerism means a plane of symmetry you must think. So this structure is in what way? You must imagine. So middle M is there. Here A and A. So here one ring is there. Next here above one. Next here A. Here one ring is there. So here to here one ring is there. Here to here one ring is there. Next this one and this one ring is there. So here one ring, here one ring, here one ring. Suppose you cut like this. Above ring, below ring. Here above ring is there, here below ring is there. You can't get equal half. If you cut like this, above ring, below ring, here it is there. You cut like this. Above ring, here it is not symmetrical, it is going down ring only. So that's why you are not getting any plane of symmetry. So that means it is optically active. So just you must remember this one. In what way? Once again I am explaining. Metal is the middle. These A's are here one A, one ring is there. Next here. So this A is this one. This A is here. So here one ring is there. Next this A is here. This A is this one. Here one ring. You must imagine here one ring, here one ring. Next here one ring. So you can't cut the molecule either x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Anywhere you are not getting equal half. So same manner MAB3 also you can take. So 7 MAB taken thrice. So here you can write as AB. So A. So this is what trans structure. Next M AB. So A and A it is okay. Trans only. Next here B you take. So this is the cis structure. See, these two are geometrical. Now we are going to think about it is optical isomerism. We are thinking. See here, what happens? All A's are same only. Same only it is showing optical activity means different ligands are there. So that's why you can't cut the molecule. So planar symmetry is not there. So it will show the optical activity. Next, suppose one more example. We take MAA taken twice, A2. We are taking this one. And we can see how many possible structures for this. So you can write AA same side. Next, AA ring is like this. AA ring is like this. Next, another structure M AA here. So this is two are close, cis geometrical, A and A opposite. So that's why it is a trans isomer. Now we are going to think about optical. So here what happens? You see this M is middle is there. Here one ring is there. Next here to here is ring is there. A and A. So you can't cut it. Here ring is there. Here two single ligands are there. So you can't cut any side. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. So means plane of symmetry is not possible. So it is showing optical activity. Suppose you come to here, then what? You cut like this. This is how much divided, this is also same divided. So that means for this plane of symmetry is present. So that means it is not showing optical activity. So more than one structure is there, you can think about geometrical isomerism. This is geometrical. Next, plane of symmetry is absence, then it is optically active. Plane of symmetry is present, then optically inactive. What is plane of symmetry? You take any molecule. If you cut into two equal halves, that is optically inactive. If you are not going to cut into two equal halves, then that is optically active. That much you must remember.